Hey YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I want to look at a few problems where we evaluate algebraic expressions in three variables, and I'm going to do it from a free worksheet that I'll link in the description. You'll see here I have tunkert.xyz. Now I noticed on my channel, which I just kind of started, I had this as a link. I also have tunkert.xyz, and the channel is named tunkertxyz. So I'll probably go with that one. And I've actually moved stuff over that. Maybe I'll mirror them on both or just have timunkert.xyz go to tunkert. Anyways, long story short, I'll leave a link in the description, but this worksheet here is going to be a free worksheet that you can download and use in your classes, homeschooling, whatever. Let's go through a few of the problems here just to see how you evaluate an algebraic expression with three variables, okay? And if you want to practice this as we go, what you could do is you can pause the video, try and figure it out yourself, and then see what I do. I'm going to do it writing out in hand first, and then I'll show you the Desmos way of doing it for those who are taking the digital SAT this year. Okay, so let's look at this first one here. We are going to, if I can move this up, this Epic Pen here is a little bit away. Move that up. All right, we're going to evaluate an algebraic expression, which is this one. So 6x plus 7y plus z. Okay, x equals 3, y equals 11, and z equals 9. So all we need to do is plug those values in. So we'll do 6 times 3 plus 7 times the y value, which is 11, plus the z value, which is just 9. Okay. All right, so we're going to do 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So we just do the multiplication first. We'll do 7 times 11, which is 77. And then we'll add 9 here. Okay. So now we have 7 plus 9, which is going to be 85. And then we do 18. Okay, so we have 85 plus 18. Okay, and we're going to do 5 plus 8, which is 13. And then 1 plus 8 plus 1, which is 10. So our solution to this one is 103. Okay, so if you want to do this via Desmos, what you can do is you can go here to look up Desmos graphing calculator. Take a snapshot of this because I'm going to delete it. Okay, so let's delete that. And we'll go to Desmos here, graphing calculator, and we're going to do, we're just going to plug in those values. So x is 3, so 6 times 3 plus 7 times 11 plus the z value of 9. And we get 104. So did I mess up? Maybe I did. Let me go through that again. Did I mess up my value? So this is why you want to maybe do it in Desmos. So we'll do 6. Let me get the pencil here. Let me do that again. 6 times 3 plus 7 times 11 plus 9. So 6 times 3 is 18 plus 7 times 11 is 77 plus 9. I think I did add these wrong. Okay, so 18 plus 77, bring over the 8, that's 85 plus 10, so it's 95 plus 9. And yeah, that equals 104. So always check your work. I think I wrote 103 the first time. Always check your work as you go. And obviously using Desmos makes it pretty easy, right? So if you're on the digital SAT, use Desmos. If you're practicing your arithmetic, do it this way. Okay, so let's delete all that stuff. Let's focus now on number two. Number two here. Okay, so we're evaluating this expression 7x minus 1y plus z. So if you're trying this out, maybe try it out in Desmos or try it out just using regular arithmetic. Pause the video now, see if you get what I get. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to do 7 times x. The x value is 9. So 7 times 9 minus 1 times 9 plus the z value, which is 11. Okay, so 7 times 9 is 63. Minus 1 times 9 is 9. Plus 11. So we've got subtraction and addition. We can do the subtraction or addition from left or right. We have the subtraction first. So 63 minus 9 is going to be 54. Plus 11 is going to be 65. Okay, take a snapshot of that. Let's go to Desmos. Okay, and what we can do here is let me get rid of some of this stuff. Okay, so we can just delete out the cell, or you can go here and go delete all to clear it all out. So we have 7 times x minus 1 times y plus z. And we have those values. Let's just check it via Desmos. So 7 times 9 minus 1 times 9 plus 11, 65. Did our arithmetic correct. Cool. All right. So go back here and clear this one out. Pause the video if you need to look at this. Okay. There we go with that one. All right. Next one. We're going to do number 3 here. So we're going to evaluate the algebraic expression 6x plus 6y plus 1z. And we've got x equals 4, y equals 3, z equals 6. So we've got to plug those values in. So we're going to do 6 times 4 plus 6 times 3 plus 1 times 6. Okay, so we can go across and do our multiplication first. So 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 3 is 18. And 1 times 6 is 6. I'd like to add 24 and 6. I kind of like to group numbers that give me like, basically multiples of 10. So 24 plus 6, that gives me 30. 10 times 3 is 30. I don't know. That's how my brain works. So I'm going to do that. So we're going to get 30 plus 18. Remember, you can change the order. If you're multiplying 3 things like this, you can change the order. I can make it 24 plus 6 plus 18. If you think you know the mathematical property that allows you to do that, comment in the comments below. Okay. All right. So 30 plus 18, that's going to be 48. Now that we've practiced our arithmetic, we're going to go check it with Desmos. Clear that out. So we've got 6 times 4 plus 6 times 3 plus 1 times 6. And we get 48, which goes along with this one. Now, quick point. If you're taking the SAT, doing the digital SAT, you can use Desmos on any problem. Don't go do it out this way and then go use Desmos. Just if you have this kind of problem, just go do it in Desmos. It's faster. The SAT is time sensitive unless you have various accommodations, but even so, you don't want to tire your brain out, working on arithmetic when you don't have to. Okay, SAT is about performance. It's not about training your brain for math. It's about testing your math skills. So training your brain for math, you can do the arithmetic, spend the time, but on the actual SAT, take every advantage you can. The students who score the highest will be doing that. So, all right, enough about that. Let's go do the last one. Take a snapshot of this if you haven't done so already, and I'm going to erase it. Boom, gone. Okay, so number 4, we're going to evaluate. So number 4, circle that one. Number 4, we're going to evaluate the following expression: 5x minus y minus z. Okay, in this one, x equals 1, y equals 7, z equals 4. Let's plug in those values. So we're going to do 5 times 1 minus 7 minus 4. 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. So 5 minus 11 is negative 6. So we get negative 6 for that solution. Okay, let's check it in Desmos. Okay, so we're going to clear this out. We do 5 times 1 minus 7 minus 4, get minus 6. Okay, and you got to make sure you write down the problem right when you bring it into Desmos, of course. All right. So yeah, it may seem like I'm harping on Desmos during this video, but again, if you are taking the digital SAT, use every advantage you can. I was talking to a teacher the other day about this during I was meeting with the school, deciding on what I thought of them, and uh, teacher kind of gave a look where you could tell by the look she was like, well, you should just teach them the pure math and not use Desmos. At least that's what I got out of it. And I got that out of a few people, but I mean, come on, if you don't want to put yourself at a disadvantage coming to the SAT, because the students who score, I've worked at different schools, and the students who score the highest will be using every single advantage they have. So to equal up, you've got to do the same thing. All right. Anyways, enough about that. This video, or this worksheet, I'll leave a link in the description. There is an answer key below. So if you scroll down, there is an answer key down at the bottom here. There we go. Okay. And so you can do the work and check your work. Also, I'll leave a link to my Teacher Pay Teachers in the description in case you want to support the channel monetarily. That helps me make more quality videos like this and get out to more people where I can help them with math. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.